Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and in this video we're gonna decorate this puffer vest, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I gotta do like 7 of these vests, and the artwork in the back is gonna be like very colorful. Let me show you. So it's gonna look something like that. I know the colors are not popping right there, but they will once we embroider this vest. These are due Friday. Today is Monday the 4th, I believe. I think it's Monday, December the 4th. And these are due Friday. It's for an event that they're having on Saturday. So I gotta have this ready Thursday or Friday. But it's gonna be a very colorful logo in the back, and it's gonna have patches all over the vest. Like for example, I'm gonna put like 4 patches at the bottom, the big logo in the back, and then 4 small ones on the bottom. And then it's gonna have some more throughout the front of the vest. One thing to, whenever you do puffer jackets or puffer vests, like in this case, you want to make sure that your hoops are very tight so they don't come off, because the vibrations in there and the insulation that these things are made out of is very slippery, so it'll come off very, very easy. So let's load this on the machine, and then we're gonna, I already traced the job, so we can I already traced the logo, so I know it fits, but it's very close on one end, so I have to be careful first of all not to break the machine, right? And we also don't want to ruin any of the vest. Head number 2 and head number 1 and number 2 are not working right now. I kind of took them down, so I'm only doing 4 vests right now, because again, those 2 heads are not working. Number 2, I need to change the hook, and number 1 is out of timing, so I need to work on those. We'll probably make a video on how to take them apart and then fix that. I'll probably make a video before the week ends, or before the month ends. One of the two. Okay, so I got all of the vests loaded up. Let me bring you in closer. Let me turn this last one, but let me bring you in closer so you guys can see what it looks like and how I'm gonna, well, this is gonna be a long process. So this logo has 96,000, not that one. It has I don't know if you can see it, the print is kind of fade. Let me see, can you see it? There you go. Has 96,415 stitches. So 96,000, that's gonna take about, give or take about 4 hours to embroider this right here. But let me bring you in closer so you can see, especially like when we're gonna do the letters. This letters right here, the L, is very close to the hoop. So hopefully I don't hit it. Okay, so this is where we have to be careful, because the machine already switched to another color, and it's gonna start doing the letters right here. But this letter is so close to the hoop that this is where we have to be careful. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold start. So if it does hit, it just barely touches it. It doesn't like really hit on top. So right here you'll see where it's gonna get very close. Okay, so right here, when it does the top of the L, you'll see how close, see, and it barely touched it. So that's why we gotta be real careful right there. Watch, gonna hit it again. So again, once it gets to the top, I'm gonna go very slow. Because we don't want to break the machine. You'll see it hidden right there. See that? So once we get out of the part where it's not hidden anymore, I can just let it go normal speed. And then I'll stop it again when it gets to the other end. So the back is done. That's what it looks like. And normally these customers right here, they don't want me to show anything before their event. Their event is on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. I think today is a Tuesday, the 5th. Is it? Right there. Tuesday, December 5th. These are due Friday because their event is on Saturday. So now I have to embroider the front of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna release this video on Monday of next week. That way their event already happened on Saturday and I don't get in trouble. So, because I still have to embroider obviously the front. I gotta put their names, and then we're gonna add more patches to the vest. The color scheme is gonna be the same. The only difference is it's gonna be a smaller logo. So this one's gonna be a 4-inch. The other one was 11.5 by 10. And so again, we're just gonna embroider the front and then we'll do the rest of the other patches later on. So more than likely this one won't be ready today. Again, today is Tuesday. More than likely this will be done Thursday because of all the stuff that I gotta add to this vest. So let me do a quick trace, make sure that everything is good, and we can start the embroidery process. If you notice on the last embroidery in the back, I was using a conventional hooping system. On this one, I'm using a Mighty Hoops, magnetic hoops throughout the entire thing, because for the front, if I do the conventional hooping system, which is this one right here, I'm risking the jacket to come off. So that's why I'm using these magnetic hoops. The back, I didn't use any magnetic hoops because I don't have hoops that are that big. They don't make hoops for this kind of machine. Let me zoom out so you can see. In the back, I was using this hoop right here. And the reason why I was using this one is because they don't make big hooping systems for this machine. This is multiple heads. They don't have anything that big, so I can, so we can get those hooping systems. They probably do have them, I just haven't seen them. The biggest one they have, this is the biggest one they have, which is a 10 by 10, as you can see right there. Let me see, right there. It's a 10 by 10, but you can only embroider 9 inches. Maybe you can squeeze in like a 9 1/4, but that's it. I don't know why they call it 10 by 10, because really you cannot embroider 10 by 10. So that's why I'm using that setup right now. Looked like everything was good. Okay, so these things are done. I actually forgot to like press record on the rest of the logos, like the small logos, so I don't have that recording. But the vest is completely done. It's actually, today's actually Friday. The customer picked them up yesterday. I put the names on them, and she picked them up yesterday, but this is what it looks like. You know, like I said, you know, it's gonna have logos. It's the same logo. It just has, like, for example, like the year when they started, it was in 2015. So it's gonna have 2015, 2016, and then it's gonna go 17, 18, all the way through 22, and then obviously this year's is this one right here. But yeah, it's complete. It's done. Freaking logos everywhere. That took forever. But you know, it's work, I guess. But that's it for this video, guys. It was a lot of fun putting all these logos on it. There was actually going to be more logos on the vest, but I was like, you know what, that's enough. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. It's a pleasure like always. Make sure you like and subscribe and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. It's a pleasure like always, guys. God bless you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Adios. Remember, this video is coming out on Monday. Today is Friday. Bye bye. Adios. God bless you. See you later.